Say make you make y the subject of the formula for inside z equal to x squared plus 1 divided by y to the power of 3. Now this na the option we then give you. This na a typical of JAMB question. Remember say you go dey sit JAMB question as computer based test. So you go just see them, you go write and solve your question. This mathematics question dey very easy. The only thing they need you to do now to make y the subject of formula. So if we want make y the subject of formula, some fit just decide, okay, we could subtract x squared from both sides. If we subtract x squared from both sides, then we will get z minus x squared, then it will remain y. But how you go take do this 1 divided by y to the power of 3? Now because maybe 1 divided by y to the power of 3 they ask you make you look for now the value of y. So anytime we they do change of subject formula, if you see fraction, make sure say you solve the fraction first. If you see power, make sure say you solve the power first. So now we don't see fraction, we will make sure say we solve the fraction first. And to solve the fraction, now to make sure say we find the LCM of this. If we find the LCM of this, now we'll get this one to be y to the power of 3. Y to the power of 3 divided by 1, now still y to the power of 3. So if we multiply them with this will give you x squared multiplied by y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 3 now 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1. So our z now will be equal to this thing. So you see now, say we don't arrive to the answer small. Now for us to remove this y to the power of 3 here, we need to, for us to remove the y to the power of 3 here, we need to multiply these two sides by y to the power of 3. So if I multiply here by y to the power of 3, I will get z y to the power of 3, and that one will be equal to x squared y to the power of 3 plus 1, Abi? And that one will be equal to y to the power of 3. If I multiply here by y to the power of 3, all of this, you will see say this one will come cut this one, and waiting I will get now z y to the power of 3 equal to x squared y to the power of 3 plus 1. So you see now, say we don't arrive somewhere. So waiting I will do be say I will bring these ones together. Since I get y to the power of 3 here and I get y to the power of 3 here, I'm waiting at the find now y, maybe y to the power of 3. So if I bring that one come here, I will get z y to the power of 3 minus x squared y to the power of 3. That one will be equal to 1. So what I will do here, because y to the power of 3 they common, I will bring y to the power of 3 come aside. So I will get z minus x squared, and this one will be equal to 1. Remember say now y will define. So I will divide all through here by z minus x to the power of 3 of 2. If I do them, I will divide here too by z minus x to the power of 2. So you see, if I do this one now, this one will just cancel this one, and so I will get my y to the power of 3 to be equal to 1 divided by z minus x squared. So you see, say we don't get the answer small. I define, I want to make y to the power of y the subject of formula, let me y to the power of 3. So since this one they cube, we go cube root both sides to come out this cube. So if I cube root this side, I go also cube root this side. 1 divided by z minus this. So if this one cancel this cube root, then I will get my y to be equal to cube root of this. And remember, for mathematics, that's the cube root of 1 divided by z minus x squared. And remember, for mathematics, if I get the cube root of a, if it be equal to a to the power of 1 divided by 3, because this type answer no dey here. So if I use them here, I will see say my y will be equal to 1 divided by z minus x square, all of them go dey all to the power of 1 divided by 3. Now 1 to the power of 1 divided by 3, wetin e go give me? Na still 1. So I go get this one as my y to dey equal to 1 divided by z minus x square, and both of them go be 1 divided by 3. So you see that question, we go get the option here. The option dey here, and the option na option C. So that means option C na be the answer to this change of subject formula. So you see, when they ask you make you do change of subject formula for JAMB, take am suffer. If you see fraction, clear the fraction. If you see power, clear the power first. And the only way we fit take clear fraction na to do LCM. The only way we fit take clear cube na to take the cube root. So you see, the only way we fit take clear square na to take the square root. So with that, you go find wetin you dey find very easily. If you enjoyed this video class, make you no forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to our channel, YouTube Pidgin Academy, where we dey use Pidgin teach una every subject to make am very easy for now. I go see una for my next class.